next example, for taking the input that we pass a enter a character, then we use printf enter any character, scanf percentile c, then you have entered the value. तो ये देख केमती हेबा आमे ए प्रोग्राम टा रन करबा गोटे आमे सिंगल वर्ड नबा गोटे मल्टीपल वर्ड नेकी करबा here enter a character एक्सेप्ट करिया पे हम यूज करिबा कोन परसेंटाइल सी बुझला मनीषा
Yes, sir.
then suppose I am accepting here any one letter. When I pass a, so it is printing you have enter a value a. Okay, so enter a character, we are passing a value, then that value is accept, से accept कला accept करके कोड स्टोर करिवो ना char variable. For storing the value in a char, we are using percentile c. That is saying you are enter a value a. Then if you want to store a word, then here we are passing percentile s, then suppose size here I pass 10. Here in place of c we are passing percentile s. Sorry. Enter a character. Suppose I passing here a word. I pass here hello. When I press enter, so it is saying you enter hello. Okay, so it is used to store a particular word. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then if you want to get a ASCII value, See that we're defining a character. Enter a character. Suppose I pass here A. So it is printing you have entered a value A and its ASCII value is 65. ASCII value is when you pass any letter in a computer, it is converted to a what American Standard Integration Language. Okay, so in that language it is converted to this 65. माने आमे जहाँ भी नंबर दबा तार ASCII value से रिटर्न करिवो. सपोज मु आउ गोटे value प्रिंट करूची, गोटे मु पास कली b, small b, its ASCII value is different. Its ASCII value is 98. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you have to take a multiple value. The int a. So at a time you have to pass a different value. So at a time I am passing here integer, another is float. Now check here, when I run the file, it is showing you enter a integer value is suppose 15 and float value is 67.8. See there, you have entered integer value 15 and float value is 67.8003. it is केमती रहिला enter integer and float मु at a time दिटा नंबर एठी पास कली तारे मु जेतला डिस्प्ले करिवि एठी लिखा बा scanf percentile d and percentile a is showing you ampersand a and ampersand b माने एकाथर के percentile d percentile a गोटे जगह रे मु पास कले बुझेला.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See that in which data type, which format we are using. For integer, we are using percentile D. For character, we are using percentile C. For float, we are using percentile F. For double, percentile LF. For short int, percentile SD. For unsigned int, percentile U. For long int, percentile LI. Long int is percentile LLI. Unsigned long int is percentile LU. Unsigned long int percentage LLU. Signed character is percentile C. Unsigned character is percentile C. Long double is percentile LA. So these are the different format specifier we are using to accept the value from user or for display the value. Okay, so these are the different formats we are using. बुझीगला ए फॉर्मेटटा सब मन रखियो बुझी होची
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now I am showing you to add the two number and display the result. See that suppose I define here int A, int B, then printf enter a number, scanf, then percentile D, ampersand A, enter first number, then again I write here enter. So slash n you have to pass for moving to the next line. Next line जब आप में slash n use करियो तो printf enter a number slash n. Then here I define percentile B. Suppose int A B. Then I define here result. The res define कली the result equals to A plus B. Now to show the result, printf the result is percentile D varies. So enter a number, suppose 30. Enter second number. Suppose 60. Then it is added number 30 plus 60 and giving a result 90. बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
Manisha?
Yes, sir.
The next program is that is for you. The first assignment write a program enter in Celsius and convert it into Fahrenheit. Write a program take find out area perimeter of circle. Assignment 3. Write a program find out area and perimeter. नहीं नहीं पीडीएफ में देना सीजीआई. Then next assignment, enter name and age of a person okay, so this is a 4 program you have to do and send me in WhatsApp. Then we're using different type of operators. An operator is a symbol that operate on a value or a variable. So there are different type of operator we're using. One is assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign a value to a variable. So how this assignment operator is working, check here. So A is equals to 5. So it is called as the assignment operator. So here equals is called as, it is called as assignment operator, which is used to assign a value to a variable. This is called as the assignment operator. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then there is a different type of assignment operator we're using, like assignment operator is used to assigning a value. Now if you check here, already we did this, assign a value int a is equals to 5. ये रे हमें 5 इनिशियलाइज कले तापरे पुणी आमे लिखले a रो वैल्यू टाको आमे b रे इनिशियलाइजेशन कले. देखो एटा कोन रिजल्ट आसी. So int a is equals to 5, printf it is printing you a रो वैल्यू हे गला 5. तो a रो वैल्यू जो 5 अछि 5 टाको मु कोठी इनिशियलाइजेशन कली b रे इनिशियलाइजेशन कली. तो b रे मु इनिशियलाइजेशन करूची तो एठी मते b रो वैल्यू देखेबो 5. a रो वैल्यू 5 हे गला, b इज इक्वल टू a लिखले माने a रो वैल्यू जो 5 अछि b रे असाइन हे गला. that is second value मत show कर रहा. The first value is 5, second value is 5. Okay. बुझिएला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then different operators were using. Arithmetic operator are used to perform the mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Like plus is used for adding a number, minus is used for subtract a number, star is used to multiply a number, then divide a number, then last one is showing you remainder part. The arithmetic operator are used to perform the mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Plus is for adding, minus is for subtracting, multiply is used for multiplication, then division, then remainder. So these are called as the arithmetic operator, which is used for showing the remainder part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I write some program. So subtract a number. int a comma b, then result printf enter first number, scanf percentile d ampersand a, then enter second number, percentile b, then res equals to a minus b, then printf result is percentile d, then result. Okay, now it is asking you enter a first number 80, enter second number 34, then it is subtract the number and giving a result. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you do the assignment and show me. Okay, kali ଟିକେ ମୋର କାମ ଅଛି, କାଲି କ୍ଲାସ୍ ହବନି, then we go for the Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday ଦିନ ହବ. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
और नया कंप्यूटर पे नहीं